So we have to check our gate for the train. I think our gate is like, let me see, I think 210. Yes, 210 is the gate. AK131 to Malaysia. So let's wait for the train, my wife. So are you excited? Really? So the train is here. So the gate is our 210. We're just walking. I think they're going to miss their plane. Some people are running. I think they're going to miss their plane. But not us because our flight is already delayed 2 hours. 2 hours delay, sadly. Nothing can be done, to be honest with you. Before it was 9:25, now 11 o'clock. I'm really getting bored here, to be honest with you. For last 5 hours I'm in the airport, just wandering around doing nothing. And hello. So yeah, 11 o'clock flight. I think they should give us, some compensation for the delay flight. You're going to Malaysia? Connecting flight. To which country? Pakistan. Oh, quite nice. So the flight is delayed, sadly. So we're just waiting for a plane. So I think the plane is arrived there. Can you see the plane? Yeah. So the plane already arrived there, and Rabia is already tired. Rabia, you're tired. She is also hungry and telling me she's waiting for the plane. So finally our flight has been started boarding. Let me show you. The flight has been started boarding. We have to be doing the boarding. Let's do the boarding right now. And it's final call. Final call for Kuala Lumpur. I don't want to get late. So what do you want to suggest, Rabia? The final call for Kuala Lumpur. Okay. I think we have to go from here. Hello. So I don't want to miss the flight. I don't want to miss the flight. So let me just line up in the line because I really don't want to miss the flight. Rabia, come fast. So finally we boarded the plane. We are ready to fly. Are you excited for Kuala Lumpur? So finally we are just ready for a plane and ready
I'm
to.
trying to find my friends from Malaysia, but I can't find my friends. It's been a long time. I was not in touch with them, so it's very hard to get the contact.
Hey, it's okay, don't worry. We will find someone. So right now we're just sitting in the plane and it's gonna fly. The flight will delay like 1.5 hours. I hope we will be flying on time. Let's hope so. So this is the Bukhara rice. Can you show? This is the Bukhara rice in Air Asia. So we are going to eat this Bukhara rice.
So we are going to eat
It's looking quite yummy and quite delicious. So Rabia, do the taste test. How it look? How is the Bukhara rice? Let me know. So Rabia is eating the Bukhara rice for first time.
It's good.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
Really?
It's something like aloo khara.
Are you sure?
Try it. It's good.
It's looking quite delicious, to be honest with you. I like it. I think Rabia is enjoying it. The Bukhara rice. And this I'm also gonna have my Bukhara rice. It's looking quite nice. Bukhara is a city in Uzbekistan, which is the rice based on. And what do you wanna say, Rabia, on the Bukhara rice? It's really good. Awesome. So let's have the Bukhara rice. So now is the. So now what we're gonna eat?
We
So
have
this is the cheese
stuffed
stuffed
omelette.
omelette.
So this looks like the omelette is filled up with a full of cheese.
Let me show you here.
What is this?
It's looking quite delicious.
This looks like delicious.
I mean, this is halal. Egg, sausages, some hash brown. It's looking quite yummy, to be honest with you.
It is halal.
So, Ravi, what you have to say? How good is the Air Asia food?
I think this is better than the omelette. I'm not looking at the omelette taste because they want to use and take the.
So she preferred the cheese stuffed omelette over the Bukhara biryani. I don't know who put the eggplant in the biryani. It's not worth it. So just get this one.
Our biryani is more better than this biryani.
I totally agree, but I will say just book this one. This one is like the breakfast, but we are having it for dinner. I think she's liking it. So how many score you will give to this one? Cheese,
I will give the 9 and 10.
9 out of 10.
And for the short one, I will give almost 5 or 6 because it is uneven. Mine is whatever, it was uneven. I will give 5 or 6.
And this one you will give.
Yeah, 9 almost.
Okay, so I think this was the review of our Air Asia food. Make sure to subscribe and bye. So finally we finished the meal. I like it, I enjoy it. It was very nice. It was good. Khara biryani not that good, but the cheese and stuff
尊
was
敬
really
的
good.
乘客，为了您的舒适，机舱灯光将调暗。如果您需
So we are having really good, to be honest with you. We are really having like good Air Asia travel. We are really enjoying it. So are you enjoying it?
Yeah, so far.
Can you open the window? Why you close the window? So we are really enjoying the trip. It's going quite well, to be honest with you. I don't want to scream because everyone is sleeping here. So it's going good. So did you enjoy the food?
Yeah, it was. I like the cheese omelette stuff. That was good.
So the food was really good. I don't like the Bukhara rice, but I like the cheese, the sausage, egg stuff. It was really very good. So I'm gonna sleep now, right now. So finally we arrived in Kuala Lumpur. Our plane have been landed. So it's like 2:49 in the morning right now. So where we are?
Yeah, we are arriving.
So we already arrived in Kuala Lumpur. So just going to disembark the plane. I'm quite excited, to be honest with you.
Easy.